I'm Brad Argo, and I'm one of the marketing managers here at Thrasher. I've been with the company for over a year, and I love it. We're a growing company and are looking to add some new talent to our marketing team. I love the people I work with here, especially the marketing crew. I'm going to take you around the building and introduce you to a few people on the team.
Anthony, what's going on? Hey Anthony, how long have you been here and what do you do?
Oh gosh, man, I've been here for about 5 years now. I'm the lead designer on the Thrasher marketing team. First I get all these great toys to play with, so I absolutely love that. And there's always something new to work on, whether we're shooting videos, doing graphic design stuff, animation, going out on commercial shoots. There's always something new, and I think just having the kind of resources that we have here, just a great team that I get to work with every day, and it's a fantastic culture. So I love every part of it.
Should I let you get back to work?
Yes, please. Thanks.
Let's catch up with Leanne. She's one of our marketing managers. Let's see what she's up to. Hey, Leanne.
Hi.
What you working on?
Getting ready for a meeting.
So what's one of your favorite things about working with Thrasher?
I would say really the entrepreneurial spirit. I just love that I get to drive decisions about technology, about creative, and throughout that whole process we really are redefining the industry. We're able to share that with the rest of the network, and that's just a really exciting thing.
Who do you think would fit in perfectly here?
I think somebody that likes to stay busy, because we definitely are busy. We're adding new locations, we're adding new brands, but somebody that really likes that excitement. I think it's good if you have a balance of creativity and analytics, if you like to know the numbers, but just being able to change gears quickly, and then just really feel like you're with family. Your coworkers really are like family, and that's a nice feeling.
Awesome. Thanks, Leanne.
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to catch up with Dan Thrasher, president of Thrasher. He loves when I check in on him during the day. Hey, Dan, what you working on?
Oh, hey, Brad. Just working on some emails right now.
So, Brad, what are you doing here?
Doing a video as we're looking for a few people in the marketing department. So thought I'd come in and kind of ask you, since you've been here and been working in this company since you were in diapers, why someone would want to come and work with Thrasher?
Well, I think it's a great place. I just love everybody. We all have a good time. We work hard, but we play hard. And right now, we're growing, and our marketing department needs a few really good people. I think the fact that we are kind of the uncontractor, we do home improvements and things like that, but when you come in here, you wouldn't think this is this is a contractor's office. We're doing things at a higher level, and right now, adding our 7th location, a couple different brands. Things are getting pretty cool. There's a lot going on, but we need some really good talent in order to continue to go down the path that we're going down.
So there you have it. You don't have to take my word for it, but this is a great place to work. If you think you'd like to work here, reach out to us. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you here at Thrasher sometime soon.